Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi when you are blocked. First, it's crucial to understand the type of block you're facing. Is it MAC address filtering, port restrictions, or something else? Check if the block affects only your device or the entire network. Sometimes, simply looking for an alternative access point, like a guest network, can provide a quick solution. Identifying the specific barrier is your first and most important step towards regaining access, saving you time and effort in the long run. One of the most effective ways to bypass network restrictions is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a different location, effectively masking your true IP address. Alternatively, a proxy server can also reroute your requests, making it appear as if you're accessing the internet from an unblocked source. Always choose a reputable provider with strong encryption, like AES 256-bit, to ensure your data remains secure and private while bypassing those blocks. When traditional Wi-Fi access is blocked, your mobile device can be a lifesaver. You can easily turn your smartphone into a mobile hotspot, sharing its cellular data connection with other devices. For a more stable and often faster connection, consider USB tethering, which directly links your phone to your computer. Remember to monitor your data usage closely, as exceeding your plan's limits could lead to unexpected charges. Most plans offer at least 5 gigabytes of hotspot data, but always check your specific carrier details. For persistent blocks, consider more advanced solutions. A portable router with a SIM card offers an entirely independent internet connection, bypassing local network restrictions altogether. Another technique involves changing your device's MAC address, which can circumvent MAC address filtering. If all else fails, a systematic troubleshooting approach is key. Restart your devices, verify network settings, and ensure all drivers are up to date. Often, a simple check can reveal a minor misconfiguration, getting you back online in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.